Hello friends, today I am back with one more package in front of me. So you can guess, I'm sure by looking at the box, it is nothing but some books, like author copies have come, and I have to open and see which book it is. As all of you know, recently I released 10th book, Crucial Pharmacology Trends, Volume 4. So before that, I would like to tell you one thing. We are ending 2025 with a good note. It is a very fulfilling year. We achieved a lot. We conducted international conference at AIMS Guwahati, and we released 2 books, and one more book is getting ready, and that will be released by middle of Jan 2026. And before I open this book, one more note. We are going to launch the first announcement of MPS 2026, which is to be held at Bangalore, CD Center. That is our medical college, Dr. Chandama Dayanand Sagar Institute of Medical Education and Research, Harvard, Bangalore South, Karnataka, India. So we will be releasing this first announcement of this conference very soon. So please do watch, do follow us to get the information at the earliest. And most probably it will be held between May 20th to 22nd. And lot of events are planned. So please watch out for the release. Now let me open this box. So unboxing the box is book box is something which I always enjoy. Let me just try opening this quickly without any delay and able to show the first copy of MPS Crucial Pharmacology Trends, Volume 5. Yes! The book is here and nicely packed. Let me show you this is a beautiful volume. Yeah, so you can see this. This is so I'm very happy with the release of these books, and this is my 10th book. 5 individual books I wrote and they were released earlier, and 5 books in association with Medical Pharmacology Society we have released, and these books will be released officially during the proceedings of MPSCon 2026. And please do note the dates which I just mentioned few minutes before, and they look so beautiful really, and I'm very happy. Let me just explain you what all there in this book. Medical Pharmacology Society presents Crucial Pharmacology Trends Targeted for PG Pharmacology Exam Success, Volume 4. So note down, Volume 4, Volume 1, 2, 3 already released, and this is the Volume 4. And it is edited by myself, Dr. Melvin George, Dr. Puran Sharma, Dr. Mukundam, Dr. Vikas Sir. So the book goes like this. This is the front page, and then you can see the declarations and the contents page. Totally, it's the chapter number starts from 96 and ends at 131. So many chapters are included in this. You can see here again the photos of MPS Con 2026, 25, and you can see again here the dedication, notes of dedication, and the photos of again participants and authors of MPS Con 2025. And then you can see the message from President, message from Chairman of MPS Con 2025, James Guwahati, acknowledgement, and now we have the beginning of this. So like this, you can see there are almost 450 pages content, including 450 pages. Okay, and there is a little bit of introduction, and it is having the, you can see the ISBN number, everything is available. So thank you so much for all your support. We look forward for many more to, with all your support, we would like to release many more volumes, and the journey will continue till we reach all the chapters that are covered under MD Pharmacology and other pharmacology subjects. And you can keep on commenting in the video which topics you want, which are the topics which are not yet covered, so that we will include them in our future volumes also. And we will also look forward for, these are, I think, volume 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them majorly covering recent advances and also questions asked in paper 1 of MD Pharmacology. And we will be covering paper 2, 3, 4 also. And we will be working, even during MPS Con 2026, we have an opportunity, we will create an opportunity for you to write chapters and submit to us, so that you can find yourself as an author in our future volumes. So keep continuing your support, and with your support we will achieve more. And please bless us with all your wishes and good feelings or whatever it is. So thank you so much. Looking forward for to see you at CD Summer May 20th to 21st, May 20th, 21st, 22nd, 2026 at CD Summer, Bangalore. Thank you.